the impact can be absolutely huge compared to a lot of other opportunities on the market. It is quite a unique role, it'd be a challenging role for the right person. Hi, my name is Robert and I'm a recruitment consultant at HPG. I recruit in warehousing, logistics, manufacturing and production. I am recruiting a very interesting and quite a unique sort of role. The title of the role is a Global Trade Associate. Don't be fooled by the title, it's not a junior level role. This is actually a really exciting senior level role with a really fascinating technologies based company. The role itself is heavily focused around trade compliance. This is for medical devices and consumables being imported and exported to Australia. This role needs someone who's very knowledgeable around the whole import-export processes, even the requirements specific to medical devices or consumables or related industries, so that can include pharmaceutical and other highly regulated industries. So this person will be developing their own space. They need to be able to work independently and to grow this space, but they have the freedom to grow that as they see fit. In terms of qualification, someone with a background in supply chain or in logistics management would be a key sort of qualification to have in this role. Anybody who's got experience dealing day-to-day with customs clearances and the declaration forms around that, actually handling the paperwork for import and export, as well as the processes surrounding that. Needing to monitor regulations as well, because regulations do change over time according to the needs of the country and the market. I think characteristics-wise, independence is going to be a big one. You need to be confident in your own capabilities to be able to drive this forward and really set down your own sort of marker in this space. Create it in the way that you see fit. Also, having good problem-solving skills, being an analytical person and trying to resolve issues with a logistical mindset, that's probably going to be key to success in this role. This is a global company, so there is a strong element of needing to communicate frequently with this team as well as others across the business on a global scale, particularly as this is importing and exporting of devices, so they don't all come from just one country. You're going to be working with different manufacturing sites that this company have for these devices and trying to figure out logistically what's going to work best for the company and for patients in Australia. The company, in my opinion, is probably one of the most interesting companies around the world. They invest millions of dollars annually in research and development, and that's because they are a technology company primarily. Culture-wise, very different to most other organisations, particularly at this global scale. Rather than a traditional structure where there's a lot of hierarchy, this company is pretty much the opposite. It's a much more linear organisation. There's a very big focus on respect across the board in different departments. I think that's reflected a lot in job titles across the business as well. The impact can be absolutely huge compared to a lot of other opportunities on the market. I think it's a very exciting thing to think about that you could be responsible for bringing a technology that isn't used here currently but can massively impact patient lives in a way that hasn't happened already. So you can literally put a unique sort of paw print down in this country and help to make our lives a bit better for those that need it. If this role sounds like something that may interest you or somebody that you know, then please do not hesitate to contact me. I'd be happy to share more details with you.